By using combine feature, we can add two bodies or we can subtract one body from other body and we can keep common region of two bodies. So our today lecture is to learn the how combine feature works in a multibody part. First of all, please download this CAD file from our course material. Now load combine feature from command bar. Write combine. You can see combine feature is here. So in combine feature dialog box, we can uh, we can do three type of operation that we can add two bodies or subtract one body from other body and can have common region of both bodies. So first of all, we will add both bodies as this part has two bodies as you can see from solid body folder. So just check add, then select this body and this one. This is simple cube and this is simple sphere. You can see the show preview button. Okay. So our multi-body part has been converted into single body. You can see from solid body folder. So both bodies has been combined and result is single body part. So in order to use second operation, just select subtract and select the main body. So this is our cube is our main body and this sphere is our bodies being subtracted. Okay. So you can see the result of single body. And the last option is that we can select common region of both bodies. So select common option and from bodies to combine select both bodies. Okay. You can see the result of using common option in combine tool. So this is the common region of both bodies and our part is again single body part. So in this way we can use three options of a combine feature. Please make a practice of this useful tool. Thank you.